What's up, guys? It's been a while since my last video. I'm kind of waiting on some stuff to happen. The Duramax is back. I just got to make a video update on that, what I had done to it. But I was just sitting here today looking over the stuff on my KX250, and I haven't done like a video on like the bike, but there it is. You know, it's just your 2014 KX250. Anyway, I've got this FMF 4.1 exhaust. I've had it for about a year now. You can't really see. It'll focus. Yeah, it's pretty beat up. Anyway, I was really wanting to clean up the bike. I did a few things today just to clean up. I put on some plastic grip just because I like to grip the bike. Obviously, I got grip tape and just added this on there just for extra grip. I don't know. So yeah, I was just sitting here thinking of how I could really, you know, kind of detail the bike a little bit. I haven't really messed with the bike in a long time, cleaning wise, or really like detail cleaning, polishing. So I went and picked up, this is not a sponsored video, but Mothers makes some mag aluminum polish. Pretty standard, it works really well. But I took off my pipe anyhow. And as you can see on this side, it's kind of dull. It's an aluminum can. The reason why I'm making this video is because it really did make a difference. But this is the other side that I polished, and this is where my tire's been hitting. I was in a rush one day and I mounted this bracket on the wrong side of the mounting bracket to put on the exhaust, and my tire was rubbing it. So unfortunately, I've got this like big scuff marks on here, and you can see them right there. We'll see if we can just polish it up, and luckily it's on the inside of the bike, so you're not gonna really see it too much. But yeah, we're gonna polish this thing up, and we'll show you how it is. I've got a new sticker for the can, and it should look pretty good. We'll give her a little facelift, see what it looks like. She definitely needs it. I might end up doing the frame and the engine mounts and the swing arm later. I definitely need to get a new chain. This thing's pretty slack. This was one of the cheaper chains, and that's only got like 2 or 3 rides on it. And I've already had to adjust the blocks pretty heavily. So yeah, if you're trying to save a buck on a chain, go ahead and get the good ones because they wear down pretty quick. My camera battery is running low, so I'm just gonna pause it. And when I'm finished with just polishing the thing, I will show you guys what it looks like. And here, I'll take off this sticker right here. And all I'm using is a microfiber pad, or just a microfiber cloth, you know. I got the cheapest ones at AutoZone. So yeah, we're just gonna take this off. So I've got the new one. Alright, let me put the camera down, but let me take this off. Alright guys, so the sticker's off. The aluminum is in a little bit better condition where the sticker is, obviously. But yeah, we're gonna see if we can buff this out, make it really shiny, just like that. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so that only took about 30 minutes. You know, just a microfiber and some elbow grease. I think it came out pretty good. I don't know why I haven't run across this yet. I'm really big into cleaning bikes anyway, but I guess I just didn't do much research. But yeah, hopefully this helps you guys out. I mean, this pipe looks really nice. So yeah, I just can't believe how shiny it is. But anyway, here you guys go. Here's what it looks like. Here it is. So, I mean, that's just from a microfiber and just some of that aluminum polish. And it kind of buffed out those scratches a little bit from the tire. I mean, the pipe looks really good. I mean, the pipe looks amazing. I mean, a complete reflection. I just think that's awesome. I'm gonna put on the FMF sticker, and it'll just make it pop even more. Yeah, it looks like this thing came off a Supercross bike, honestly. Really shiny, I like it. Alright, so I'll see you guys in a second. Just real quick, if you're ever, let me get out of zoom here. if you're ever, you know, putting on a sticker or anything, it's a good idea to have a heat gun. This one is from Harbor Freight. I mean, it's like less than 10 bucks. Just plug it in, and it just helps the sticker, kind of heats up the adhesive, and it's more pliable to put on there, so it just makes everything easier. But pipe's looking real good. I just can't believe how good that looks. I can't wait to see what it's gonna look like on the bike. Alright guys, stay tuned. The stickers are on. You can see me in the background. Dude, the pipe is looking sweet. I just can't get over how good that looks. I mean, that's just literally, guys, for less than $15, buy you a set of microfiber towels. Just get some of that mother stuff. Or really, I mean, any aluminum polish. I got the small container. It was like 8 bucks or so, and the microfibers were like $6, and I got like 4. So yeah, I hope you guys try this out because you'll be pleased. So yeah, all right guys, so stay tuned real quick and let's see what it looks like on the bike. The pipe is on. That looks great. I mean, that just looks awesome. I mean, I just can't get over how that looks. I wish I would have figured this out earlier. I mean, been riding bikes for a long time, but just, I don't know. But we have found out the trick. I used to just use like a Scotch-Brite. Just like a Scotch-Brite and just some all-purpose cleaner on the frame. So that's definitely going to be next. Probably going to do the Kickstarter, the brake, the rear brake. What else could we do? Geez, probably the exhaust header. This right here, that would look really good cleaned up. I mean, that's just, I can't get over that. That's so good. I mean, I don't know. You guys let me know what you think. If you guys have done this, whatever. But yeah, that looks killer. Honestly, I mean, I'm sure in better lighting, this will be great. But I'll do like a startup video for you guys one of these days, cause that's pretty awesome. Hopefully we get to go riding this weekend, guys. The weather has been absolutely atrocious. I mean, it seems like every weekend it is raining, so we've been fighting the weather. I mean, I rode that in a field like 2 weeks ago just because that was like the only opportunity I had. But yeah, we'll get that washed up, and I don't know, might just leave it dirty for this weekend. But yeah guys, hopefully we can go riding one day this weekend. Try to put out a riding video. That's the one thing that I've been really wanting to do with this channel but have not gotten to do yet, is just because this, I don't know, it just like rains every day. So anyways guys, if you want to check out more of my videos, I've got 3. You guys have seen the RM250 intro video. Go check out my Supercross video. That was pretty cool. Atlanta Supercross once again did not disappoint. I wish I could go to Nashville Supercross. Still thinking about that one. Might just get some cheap tickets. I'm not sure yet, but we'll see. But yeah guys, if you like this video, and if you want to give a try to this, make sure to like and leave a comment down below of what you think and how you would do it. But please guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be putting out more videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks guys.